Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save Excel as a PNG. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have data. So this data I'm going to save as a PNG. So let's start the first select the entire data. To select the data you can just drag with the mouse and select it, and you can use here the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the entire data. Okay. After that, go to the Home tab. In Clipboard group have a copy option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the copy as a pictures. Here the one dialog box is open, copy picture. Select the first option as shown on the screen. In format, select the pictures and click on OK. That's it. Your data is copied as a picture. Now select the area where you want to paste this data as a pictures. So simply select the cell, right click of the mouse and click on the paste option. And that's it. Your data is a paste as a pictures. Then click on the pictures and you can see with this picture, the picture format tab also added. You can use this editing option to change the formatting of your picture. If you want to change the picture style, just click on this arrow and you can change here the different picture style. So see the changes over here. Okay. You can change the picture border, picture effect, picture layout. You can crop these pictures also. Okay. There are so many options you can use and format your picture. Okay. Then if you want to save this picture as a PNG, simply right click of the mouse and click on the save as picture option. And here the save as picture dialog box is open. Okay. Then select the destination where you want to save these pictures. So I select the desktop. You just select the desktop. You can select the any destination where you want to save. And if you want to check is correctly open, then you can check here the path of this data. Okay, data location. So this PC in desktop. Okay. Then I open this data folder and I want to save this PNG in data folder. Okay. Then you can change here the file name if you want to change. So I just enter the file name cells. Okay. Cells data 1. After that, change the file type. Here the default, select the PNG file type. If the PNG is not showing in your laptop, then click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the PNG format. Okay. Just click on it and select here. After that, save these pictures as a PNG. That's it. Your Excel's save as a PNG. Okay. If you want to cross check, here you can see I save this file cells data 1. Just double click on it and open this PNG file. And you can see here the PNG file is open. You can see here the data, but it's showing the black and white background. Okay. You can edit here also. Just click on the edit option and you can change here the data also. Okay, just click on the adjustment. You can change here the adjustment. These are filters. You can select the filter those you want. Okay, and changes and then click on this option and you can save as a copy and save it. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.